Hi, Tim Unkert here, and in this video we're going to look at ternary operators. So in the last video we created a simple program that takes a student's grade that they input and tells them whether they passed or failed. We used an if-else statement. So the ternary operator allows us to do the same thing but in a shorthand type of way. So to show you how to do that, let's just get started. We're going to include just some basic declarations. So the input-output string, we're going to say using namespace std, and then let's do our function prototype. So we're going to say string and pass fail. We'll take in a double, which we're going to call grade, and then let's do our function instructions, and this is where we're going to use our ternary operator. So we're going to say string pass fail. Again, we're taking the double, which is the grade. And we're going to return a variable called solution, which is going to be a string. Okay. All right. So what we're going to say is solution is going to equal, and then we have to have the condition that we're testing for. So we're going to say grade is greater than or equal to 60. So then we do a question mark, and then we put what happens if, or what solution is going to equal if it's true. So if it's true, we're going to say you passed. And then we put a colon, and then the condition if it's false. So if it's false, you failed. Okay. All right. So that's our function. So you can see how that cuts a few lines of code, makes it a little bit more elegant, I guess. All right. So and then we're going to have our main function, which will return 0, and we've got a couple of variables. We've got the grade variable, so I'll declare that. We've got a string variable. We'll call that pass or fail. Okay. And then we're going to take the user input. So we'll say enter your grade. And that'll be the grade variable. And then our pass or fail will equal the function pass fail with the grade passed in, and then we'll print that. And end the line. Okay, let's save that and compile it. So I called this ternary.cpp. Okay, so now we go up here, we see we run that previous program. So now we've compiled it into this new one. So we enter our grade. Let's do 34. You failed. Enter your grade. Let's do 60. You passed. Okay. So that's a different way of writing an if-else statement in C++, and the ternary operator is used in many other programming languages. Similarity between, say, C++ and JavaScript comes to mind. Anyway, so that's a little bit about ternary operators in C++. In the next few videos, I'm going to be doing some more if-else conditions, nested if-else, if-else-if, and then some switch statements. All right, so stay tuned, and thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications, as it really helps the channel grow, and have a great day.